Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth earbuds not turning on. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is just simply scroll down your notification and then head over to your Bluetooth settings. And once you're inside your Bluetooth settings, what you need to do is just simply remove the Bluetooth earbuds and then simply connect it again. Now what this does, it resets the earbuds by connecting it once again, and once you do that your earbuds should work properly. But if that doesn't work, the next step is to check if the earbuds are completely charged or not. Sometimes the lower battery also might be causing the issues that you are facing. So what you need to do is check if the battery is fully charged in the case as well as in the earbuds. Now the third thing that you can do is check the connectors as well, if the Bluetooth earbuds are charging properly or not. Sometimes the residues also might be causing the connection to interrupt while charging, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So then the next step or the method that you can try is by resetting your earbuds as well. There are specific ways to reset your earbuds. Find it as per your model and then reset it and then try again. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.